Hello everybody, thought I'd make a video here. Anyone interested in greenhouses and gardens, or building a greenhouse and needing some tips or information, I created a Facebook group called Greenhouses and Gardens. It's here on my computer screen now. 70,000 members. Just rolled over 70,000 this morning. When I woke up, there was 134 people waiting to join. And with the admins and moderators that I have in place, there's 10 of us, 5 admins, 5 moderators. Pretty interesting group. You see here the post from people posting their projects and what they're doing, and what they got going on, what they got growing. You could ask advice on greenhouses or gardens. They show pictures of their greenhouses and their progress. I created the group. I am the group owner. People all around the world are on this group. I have 100+ members joining daily. Today I've had about 150 join, and it's 3 p.m. Very good group. Not a lot of haters and spam in the group, as there are 10 of us admins and moderators that manage this group. There's a post I put in this morning. It says, as of this morning, we now have 70,000 members, and I welcomed all of them. I'm scrolling the page in Greenhouses and Gardens. If you would like to join the group, just go on to your Facebook. In the search bar, type in Greenhouses and Gardens. It'll come right up. It's the most popular group for greenhouses and gardens. I'm constantly getting notifications. That's what you just heard. Great group. It's growing fast. Created the group 3, maybe 4 years ago. Again, 100+ members joining daily. And I click on the group. It doesn't show anyone wanting to join at the moment, but I can manage the group. I can click on moderate group. I can see who of the admins and moderators, what they've done, who they've approved, who they've declined, who have they blocked. So I keep a good eye on the group. There's a good picture of something in a greenhouse. Great group, even though I created it. It's called Greenhouses and Gardens on Facebook, a Facebook group. So if you need advice in gardening or on a greenhouse or building a greenhouse, subscribe to the Facebook group Greenhouses and Gardens. They put videos in here. About there's a video. I can click on it, it'll play. I'll keep scrolling. Tons and tons of information daily. There's tons of people posting. 70,000 members worldwide. They are constantly posting. There's another post of someone's greenhouse and what's inside it. More and more posts daily. There's a nice picture of inside a greenhouse with a bunch of flowers. Nothing to do about marijuana or nothing like that. We don't allow that. Vegetables and flowers and seed planting. There's a video I shared of my own personal greenhouse. I'll click on that. That's my greenhouse. Hello everybody. Thought I'd make an update here. Update on my greenhouse and progress I've made and what it's doing. First of all, it's 90 degrees in here. I had these windows open for a couple hours now, maybe 3 hours. So anyway, you can find that on YouTube, my greenhouse video. Again, I'm showing all these posts, all this advice. It's offered, people helping each other with greenhousing and garden projects. So go to Facebook and type in Greenhouses and Gardens and become one of the 70,000 members. Thank y'all for watching.